because the fish getting smarter.
Yeah, you threw it 100 miles. There you go.
You gotta remember, I'm used to.
Yeah, but
see,
the thing
I'm trying to get used to your this type of fishing, but I'm used to deep sea fish, not deep sea, but ocean fish.
That's your bait.
I need to be more off to this one.
No, you good. Bring your bait back though. So
bring it up.
Bring it back. That's you right there. If you keep falling, you're gonna fall right there. You want to go over to them fish.
So you want to bring it up?
Yeah. Now you really now just start reeling back. Because you're gonna go through all of those. You might get hung in a tree.
I felt it. Got him.
Got him. Got him. Keep that pressure on him. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. She ain't big, but she won. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days, and then why? So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm out here on beautiful Lake Oconee. I haven't been out for a little bit. I hadn't recorded for a little bit. No, don't put him in there yet. Don't put him in there yet.
I ain't trying to lose this sucker, man.
Just hold it, man. You want him on the camera, man?
Yeah.
Did you throw it back yet?
No, I'd rather have him in the bucket than in the water, though.
Well, if you hold him in your hand, he won't go in the water, will he?
Y'all see this?
I'm out here on the water with Lee Doughton. Say something to the folks,
Lee Doughton out here on the water.
Trying to catch some of these evil, but sure enough tasty
Traded the fishing pole in for a guitar today.
Traded the guitar for the fishing pole.
Yeah, and we doing our thing out here on Lake Oconee.
Lake Oconee.
Yeah, we doing our thing.
So folks, as always, hey, thanks folks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody who hits that like button. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there.
Yeah.
So that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, Lee Doughton. Nip.
That's right, Nip.
What's the K for?
I don't even know, my grandmother gave me that name, man. K is silent, man.
K is silent.
Like the D is...
Like Django.
Yeah, D is silent in Django.
So, folks, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get them.
Yeah, you came up real aggressive. Came up real aggressive on that one. I saw you coming. I seen you coming. She ain't big, but she won what you keep. You want to keep this one or not? Do you fillet everything or you whole fry?
Whole fry.
She make a good whole fry then.
Yeah. I was trying to figure out where my thing was soon as...
There's another one. She ain't big, but she won. Now, I don't normally keep them unless they 10 inches or better. Well,
is there a rule?
Going to 11 inches. That's small.
Do they have to be a certain amount size?
Look at the baby. No. You keep whatever you want to keep. But because I fillet everything, I don't want to, small fish.
Are these bony fish?
I don't consider them bony. They ain't like brim.
I don't know if I ever had brim.
Bluegills?
Yeah, I've had bluegill.
That's what they call brim down here in the south.
Oh, okay.
I used to call them. I didn't know what brim was either until I moved. I'm brim. What's brim? Oh, you mean bluegill? Yeah, man, we catching brim. I'm like them bluegill.
Yeah, a lot of fish have a couple of different names, like striped bass are also called rock
bass. You bounced it out of there. There's another one coming at you. Start reeling. So here's what my philosophy is. Here's another one coming. All right, so check it out. If a lion's chasing you, right? When do you stop running?
Never.
Right. So these are lions. Your bait is getting chased. Right. Don't stop running. Keep reeling it.
Oh, okay. What?
It's me.
I thought I felt something. I know I ain't going to you.
You right here.
And it's fish coming to me.
Okay, go ahead. Play around. I'm gonna let you play in the water. I'm gonna go and catch some fish.
Okay. Okay, master fisherman.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you play around. I'm
right.
gonna catch some fish though.
This is your world. This is your world, but I'm a squirrel and I'm gonna get a nut. I'm gonna tell you that.
Hey, you already got.
I'm gonna get a bunch of nuts.
You catch 1 or 2?
1.
Okay, well, yeah, you got the skunk off the boat, but then 2. You know, blind squirrel find a nut every now and then. See, I told y'all, got to be more careful. Ah! I got a emotional support doll in my good cast. Go a little bit further when you open the bell.
Man, my rust is showing.
I'm just telling you, that's my experience. I just tell people, I ain't gonna tell you. I can just tell you what my experience is.
Yeah, your fans,
you know,
it goes farther when you open the bell.
I think they designed it that way.
I think you might be right.
They designed it that way for some reason.
See, that's why.
But I test that theory sometimes too.
That's why sometimes you should use your own gear.
Chase me down there.
It's the fact that I'm using your gear set up the way you like it.
It's set up the way you need to be to catch fish, though.
Yeah, but everybody catch fish different. Come down in the morning, come do your own piece.
Got him that time.
We'll see.
That's a little bitty one. Look at the baby! Look at the baby!
I'm hungry too.
Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she cute? Go on out here, no.
I'm hungry too. I bet you got a freezer full of fish, don't you?
Right now I don't. I got folks that be asking me for it, so I can give it to them.
Right, that's a big one.
Why?
You got all?
Yes! I'm changing this hook. I've lost too many fish with this daggone hook. That was a good fish, too.
You ain't lying, boy.
God,
His mouth was like that big. All I seen was mouth. He shook that hook out.
I don't know what's going on with this. I'm going to open it up a little bit. See, here's where I begin. Right there.
You see me?
No, I don't see you at all. I'm looking for the fish, though.
Can I hug your emotional fish, man? I'm losing too much, too. We need to be making a video. It ain't got no sense.
It's recording. Yeah, it's recording.
Help me. I gotta remember my movement, like you said, subtlety with this, because the lure is so light. The test is so light, too.
Yep.
I'm usually fishing with 10, 20-pound test. Get her ass.
You went the wrong way. Come on out.
You sure?
Yeah.
I can't. I might as well not even read that thing because I can't do.
But your eyes are right here.
Right.
You just threw cross-eyed.
That's the thing. I'm looking at. I keep forgetting that thing.
You throwing where you threw the last time.
Yeah, I can't.
But the boat's always moving, so.
I can't. I gotta pay attention. I gotta get used to that.
Yep, that's a good cast. Here you are. Bring it right on through. Right there. Let it drift down. Now you in them. Start reeling back. Oh, what you doing? What you doing there? You playing with me? I want to be able to see you come out.
Oh, God!
Ah, you hung. You sure? Yeah, you hung. Don't break my rod now. Remember I told you?
I was like, I got a shark.
So now what you got to do when you get hung in a tree and you set it like it's a fish or something like that? You got to do a shimmy. You know what your shimmy is? Huh?
Nope.
All right, here's what your shimmy is. You set that hook with such beautiful, form, like Steph Curry shooting a three-pointer. You know, he knocked down that three-pointer, come back and do a little shimmy like this. But you back ironed it. You were shimmying, but you back ironed it. I mean, backwards. There you go. All right, there you go. It's out.
Okay. I'm going right where you thought. I'm getting good at it now. You see, I came down right on top of you. which might not have been a good idea, but
No, it's all right.
at least I'm getting my accuracy.
Yeah.
Starting to get it. What made you do that? I mean,
Do what?
turn fishing into a YouTube channel.
You know, what I first started doing is I just took my GoPro and I just put it in the water. Like I would see these fish here. I would just drop my GoPro in the water. I'm like, I'm gonna record these fish and see what they look like. So then,
So you can see them down there in the GoPro?
Yeah, just drop your GoPro down there, put it on the stream, drop it down in there, and then fish just be coming up, swimming around the GoPro like it ain't nothing. So I just started recording that way. Then I started posting. Then all of a sudden people were like, oh man, I like your videos. I'm like, what? I said, oh.
A lot of people like to fish. And watching is almost like being there.
Yep.
Yeah. Cause I used to sit there and watch your videos, man. Watch y'all pulling all them fish up out of the water. Wishing it was me. Like, damn, one day I'm gonna go out there.
Well, there you made it. You made it.
Yeah,
You made it to one day.
That's the first day. It's the first.
Yeah.
It's the first of many. But I'm gonna come out here with some live bait. We caught a small fish like some of the ones we threw back. Chop that up. Throw it on
People
the
use them. People who go catfishing use some of these small ones for that.
I used to do that all the time. And we were throwing nothing back. You said, no, that's bait.
Yep.
So one time you might throw a worm out, next time you throwing a piece of fish out.
She's small, but she'll fry up the high. It'll be a whole fryer.
Yep.
I took that bump.
So right now, where is your bait? Is it cruising across the bottom or?
It's in the fish mouth right now.
Yeah.
Where's my bait? In his fish mouth. Hook right at the top of the
Well, I know I ain't never gonna hear the end of this.
Hey, I'm gonna take that on the video. I'm gonna loop that.
I would never, all the fish I caught, I was not looking at that screen. I need to focus on how I'm handling this rod.
That's what she said.
Look, I agree with you. You really do.
You need to be focusing on how you handling that rod.
That's
okay,
right.
Baby, don't worry, I got you. Where's Krista?
You need support.
Yeah.
What's missing in this way that you fishing, you forgetting their sense of smell.
Well, see,
That really drives them crazy.
some people put stuff on there.
Right, I've heard about it.
Yeah.
They spray some stuff on it.
Yep. I'll be saying, I'm like, I'm good enough. I don't need performance enhancing drugs. I do it with natural talent.
I try to hit all their senses. And shoot, you know.
It's just one more thing. For me, you know, I catch plenty of fish doing what I'm doing. Could I be better? Absolutely. But, you know, I ain't trying to, you know.
You ain't trying to catch all the fish?
Right. I gotta leave some for somebody.
No, I want to catch all the fish. I'm doing performance enhancers, all kinds of shit. Chumming, whatever I need to do.
What you know good?
I don't know nothing. How about you?
I'm all good. You catching them?
Hey, man, run us off. So we got too many fish.
Where?
We probably got 25, 30 maybe.
That's about what we got. Thought about staying. My wife asked me if I was staying tonight, and I was like, I think I'm gonna go home. I done had enough of this already. I done had enough of this already.
Was you out catching it?
Hey,
I'm a saltwater fisherman, and this is the first time I've been jigging.
you know, I tell people all the time, if you just want to watch me catch fish, I got a YouTube channel. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You can watch it on your phone. You can do it, you know, whatever.
That
this
sound like this guy here.
Watching this thing, man, is foreign to me. I'm like, what? Where is it? What you see? What the hell?
You know, last time I was fishing with him, I started catching them. I mean, boom, 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 boom. So he changed his jigs to what I'm catching them with. Now I got it. You don't think I'm stupid, do you?
You guys using lures or using some live, some
We using almost the same thing that I was doing.
okay. I'm bringing some worms or something out here.
Hey, you bring them worms, you gonna be watching me.
I'm watching you now, so I can't do no work.
Tell me.
He only brings people he got catch.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, he ain't been fishing in a long time. Let me bring him out here.
He said, you see why me and Danny don't go no more.
That's what he told me. I don't know.
I always, you don't catch a single fish that he don't put you on, right?
Pretty much.
There you go. So the boat always wins.
What he does to me, I'll throw it out there and I'll see myself going right in it. He'll move it. Just as soon as I go into the
Well,
that's what you're supposed to do.
Would you?
All right, buddy. Good seeing you. Y'all take care.
All right,
man.
Y'all too. Nice meeting you guys.
Oh, you bastard!
You ever troll?
I used to, don't anymore. Yep, I used to troll all the time. And then I stopped trolling and went to drop shot. And I tell people, watch out, watch out, watch out. I need some room. I need some room. You over my line. You over my line.
I'm trying to get out the way.
Oh, that's a little fish anyway.
That's bait.
There you go. Look at the baby! Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she so cute? Go on out of here, don't get.
Let's just say, that's my baby.
All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and head back to the Drysdale Airbnb. Let's check out what we got in the
I caught most of the fish.
Yeah, that's
Don't
right.
believe him.
Yeah, yeah, okay. A lie don't care who tell it, just as long as it get told.
I made him look bad on his own boat.
All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up another one. It's getting windy out here, so that's going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Knip, what you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Good day. Good day out here on the water.
Man said he caught all the fish. He caught most of the fish. Those are the ones we got. That's a 25 piece.
We caught 25, I caught 20.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's your story. You sticking with it. So, folks, as always, hey, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Knip, you catching more of these evil.
They out here.
But sure enough, tasty crappie. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace out.